Hi everyone, I'm hoping you all are doing fine and your studies are going well. So in this video, we will discuss about the important aspect that every CMA intermediate student or final student who are currently pursuing articleships, or you can say that who is currently full-time job, okay? And apart from this, he is giving any particular one group or both group of CMA intermediate and CMA final. So what kind of coordination he need to manage between his articleship job life or study life. So in this video I'll discuss about each and every aspect and try to give my insight so that this kind of strategy will helpful to you. So guys, first of all we'll discuss about those CMA intermediate. As you know that mostly we have seen that 90% or 85% chances that CMA student after completing both group of CMA intermediate pursue his articleship. But in this video we'll discuss about if some of those students who are at intermediate or as well as final stages are pursuing articleship or job, so what kind of coordination he can manage between his study and articleship or job life. So first of all, we'll discuss about those who are appearing only any particular single group or doing job or articleship. So what kind of strategy they need to maintain. So normally we have seen that in articleship, if you are giving any both group or single group, so in articleship there is no such kind of stress or accountability or responsibility. Okay, he only need to learn, and whatever the work has been given by his, you can say that employer, so he need to finish the work. So there is no such kind of responsibility, accountability in comparison to those candidates who are doing full-time job. Okay, some student compulsory need to do you can say that full-time job to manage the financial problems. Okay, so if those students who want to give any single group, so if they have to analyze, that they need to give any single group, they need to take some classes or not. If they want to take classes, so they want to take one class, two class, three class, or four class out of four. We have seen that intermediate and final you can manage easily if you want to take any one or two classes. So if the remaining subject you can easily manage with self study. Okay, so first of all you have to analyze if you are appearing for single group out of four subject of CMA intermediate or CMA final as respective applicable to you, in how many subject you need to take classes, and in how many subject you can easily manage with self study. Yes, with self study foundation intermediate final can be easily cleared. So you have to analyze. Okay, and suppose you are a full-time job, you are employed under full-time job, so 9 to 6, or if you are doing a, you can say that outside countries work, USA, so you can say 5:30 to 2:30 will be the timing. So you have to manage accordingly. At least half an hour apart from your classes, apart from job, half an hour per subject you have to spend. Okay, if you spend half an hour, so four subject, so 2 hour at least you need to take in morning before office, or in after coming from the office. You have to spend at least 2 hour, 3 hour, 4 hour maximum, but 2 hour means half an hour per hour you have to spend. Okay, and on daily or consistency basis. And yes, with articleship or with job you can easily complete your study. Now come to those intermediate or final student who are appearing in both group. So yes, for article student they need not to worry, but those who are involving in full-time job and want to give both group, but I have seen that 85% or 80% chances that those are worked employed under full-time job, generally I have seen that they generally give only one group. So if any candidate want to give both group, so accordingly he need to manage half an hour at least he need to take out of, so 4 hour at least you have he she has to spend if he want to clear his CMA final or intermediate, if along with full-time job. Same strategy will applicable out of 8 subject. You have to analyze in which subject you want to take classes, or in which subject you want to take self study. In CMA final I have seen that lot many subject you can easily do with self study. So yes, with self study CMA final intermediate can be easily clear, we can easily clear. So you have to manage, you have to spend at least 3 hours before going to office and 3 hours after coming from the office. Yes, many students are managing, it is not impossible, it is possible, but we have to manage. Okay, and those and every CMA student who want to pursue articleship, at least 1.5 year articleship he must do. Okay, and try to learn as much as possible. And during articleship or during, you can say job, our first priority is to complete our syllabus as soon as possible. And whenever the articleship is over, you have 24 hours to practice, then practice again and again. But full time the person who is doing full-time job, only you can say that he will get the job only for 1 month, for 15 days, or some companies offer the leaves only during the examination. You can say that 8 or 10 days the respective. So yes, job person has some more difficulty, but if he manage spend half an hour per day and maintain consistency, I can assure you that easily you can crack your inter or final examination if you want to give any one group or both group. But we have seen that job person usually give only single group and easily they can crack the examination. So this kind of strategy, apart from this, you better understand yourself. Okay, so do quite introspection yourself and analyze what kind of insight needed for you, and accordingly you need to take such kind of strategies. But I can assure that definitely work for you. So simply strategy that first of all you need to analyze whether you are giving one group or both group, and if you want to give both group or one group, in which subject you need to take classes, or in which subject you can easily manage with self study. If you and my humble request, try to take online classes if you want to take classes. Okay, please, humble request, try to avoid the traveling time. Okay, if you take offline classes and your house is you can say that far away from your coaching classes, so you have to spend traveling time. Please, my suggestion to you, avoid the traveling time. Okay, so this kind of strategy if you implement, I can assure that you can easily crack your intermediate final along with articleship, along with your job. Yes, many candidates I have seen that they cleared their final examination, intermediate examination along with job. Still need my guidance, you can ask me. From my side, that's all about in this video. So such kind of motivational strategies video I will bring in future also. From my side, that's all about in this video. Bye guys.